welcome back. So these are my results. I picked it out and I broke the gel cast and my hair's bomb. Curls everywhere, no frizz. And if you see a little frizz, that's just because I was picking for volume, you know. But other than that, these results are, I'm so happy with it. Oh, look at my edges. Peep my edges. I used the gel to fix that up with my toothbrush, but excuse me. I like my results. My results are fire. I still have hold. I didn't break the gel cast 100%, but I still have hold. My curls are super defined. Like, I really have no complaints. Oh, hey, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys saw the previous video, then you know that I just pre-pooed my hair and my hair now is ready to be fully cleansed and given all that love and goodness that the wash day is made up of, and then finally styled. So to give you guys a quick look at the products that I will be using, these are new products to me that I haven't tried before, so we will get through this together, okay? So the brand is called Treluxe. Now I have the gentle cleansing rinse. This is what it looks like. It has like this bluish green color to it. I also have the Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner. This is what it looks like. And then I have the Curl Supreme, which is the 4-in-1 hydrating cream. It's supposed to hydrate, strengthen, protect, and style your hair. This is what it looks like. And then lastly, we have the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel for long-lasting and defined curls. This is what it looks like. So we will get up in this and get through wash day nice and quick. So I hope you guys stick around and watch it. It shouldn't be too long. I'm actually going to jump in the shower and use the gentle cleansing rinse, come back out, and then style my hair. So see you guys in just a bit. When it comes to the 4-in-1 hydrating cream, some of the key ingredients is apricot oil, coconut oil, marshmallow root extract. And one thing I do have to say is, other than it being thick in consistency, that it does moisturize my curls. Now when it comes to the styling gel, the key ingredients is avocado, honey, and sage extract. The gel had amazing slip to it. I'm not too sure how my results will be because we're gonna see that together, but I do have to say that it gives me, or it looks like it's going to give me, amazing hold. I did want to come back and just talk about the cleansing cream and the leave-in conditioner. The cleansing rinse, to be specific, it lathers up really quick. I absolutely love that. I did feel that my scalp was clean once I was done. I gave it 2 rinses and my hair did not feel stripped once I rinsed out the rinse. I can't really pinpoint what it smells like, but I definitely think that it did the job. The smell of the leave-in conditioner smells amazing. It smells like cinnamon, and I absolutely love cinnamon. The slip, it didn't have as much slip as I would have liked. It's more so thick and creamy in consistency. But the fact that I applied the leave-in conditioner in the shower and I put a plastic bag over my head to lock that moisture in, and then when I took the bag off, my hair was moisturized like I just came out the shower, makes this product amazing just because of that. So it may not have as much slip as I would have liked, but the fact that it kept my hair moisturized, locked in, loaded, My hair felt soft. My hair felt just like I came out the shower. It felt so amazing. The fact that it smells good, the fact that it's thick and creamy outweighs the slippage. I'm all for slip, but in this case right now, it's okay. I don't need that much slippage when it has all of the amazing goodness that I just described in this leave-in conditioner. Oh, I got too hyped. Okay, so that's my spill on the rinse and the leave-in. Now I'll really be back for my dried results, so stay tuned. I feel like these products give me the perfect combination between soft curls and hold. Why? Because my hair has hold, but you can still feel that softness to your curls, and they have plenty of movement after you break your gel cast, just like you can see here, and my edges are laid. So with that being said, these products are good in my book. I like them. I think that they did their job. My hair still smells like cinnamon, which is what I love. If you don't like cinnamon, whoa. If you don't like cinnamon, you know, make sure that you don't use too much of it. But the ingredients, the products, the directions, get it out. The directions say to use a generous amount. I didn't mind it. I love the smell, but just to let you guys know, my hair does smell like cinnamon. So with that being said, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so that you guys know when I make my next video. You don't want to miss my videos. You don't know what I have in store. So hit that bell so that you guys are always notified. Drop your feedback and let me know what you guys think. Have you tried these products before? Are you willing to try them now? So, all right guys, I'll catch you later.